All right. What's up, guys? Devin here over at NFI Empire with another fantastic vehicle here. I have a 2016 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. This car was actually the 2016 car of the year according to Motor Trend. I absolutely love everything about this vehicle here. I love the red on the black trim. It looks super sharp. As you can see here, we do have custom MRR rims. And then up front here, you just got this fierce looking grille. Underneath the hood here, we have a 6.2 liter V8 pushing 455 horsepower. It also has BMR Lowering Springs, so it does sit a little bit lower. Makes everything look pretty flush, as you can see in the wheel wells. All right, let's start her up and I'll go over some of the features we have inside of here. As you can hear, that was the Borla exhaust that we have on here. Makes it sound fantastic. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. And then I don't know if you can see on the doors here, it's got beautiful trim as well as in the cup holder. It's something that you can change to inside of the settings. It does have navigation and Apple CarPlay. Using the Chevy MyLink, you can hook up any phone to it effortlessly. Air conditioned and heated seats. Best of both worlds there. And then one of my favorite features about this vehicle is actually the rev match feature. So that way when you are shifting, it's gonna automatically match the revs. So there's no lag there when you're downshifting. Let's give her a couple revs so you can hear what she sounds like. This is gorgeous. It sounds so good. If this is something you can see yourself driving, do not hesitate to holler at us here at NFI Empire. You can check this out online at nfiempire.com. Come to our lot here in Northeast Pennsylvania, or give us a ring at 814-746-4123.